How to remove the head unit. This is the center console of the 2015 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class GLC. Open the central armrest box and pry out the trim panel with the rocker. Remove the two-fixing screws of the central control panel, and then pry the whole central control panel with a rocker and take it out. Remove all connecting wires behind the central control panel. There are many wires. Please take photos in advance to record the plug-in position. Remove the fixing screws of the head unit and take out the host.